The UN is the biggest provider, humanitarian provider for the Palestinians here in Gaza. So this is something important for them. This is something significant. Cutting the funds will mean that more struggle will be added to the suffering of the Palestinian people, especially here in Gaza. There was actually also a long statement published on the social media by the political officials here in Gaza, a joint statements for several political factions in Gaza, calling upon the UN to investigate more about the firing of its employees, calling the Israeli allegations as lies, and that the UN should not be following the Israeli allegations, and that no UN employees were actually taking any part in the 7th of October or even do support Hamas. Here we are talking about the Al-Nasser Hospital, and it is one of Gaza's biggest hospitals after the Al-Shifa Hospital, and we all know the story of the Al-Shifa Hospital. The situation there has already collapsed weeks ago. Now we are talking about the Al-Nasser Hospital, which is located in the heart of Khan Yunis city, and the reason behind the collapse there in the Al-Nasser Hospital is because the Israeli land invasion is very close to the hospital. Actually, the Israeli army have surrounded the area and the neighborhoods around the hospital. Several shells and also bullets hit the buildings of the Al-Nasser Hospital. According to the Palestinian Health Ministry, we are talking about more than 6,000 people that are still inside the hospital, displaced people, journalists, medical staff, patients, and most of these people are now without food, without any access to food and water for the fourth day. The situation there is deteriorating. The doctors are trying their best to save those who were injured. However, most of the injuries that are happening in Khan Yunis are now being transferred here to Rafah, to Abu Yusuf al-Najjar Hospital, because basically the ambulances and the paramedics cannot even enter the area where Al-Nasser Hospital is located.